Hi, I'm standing here in front of the creek, a creek that I've made quite a lot of videos about, but usually you wouldn't hear me, even though I have a audio recorder here. You wouldn't hear me because of the noise the creek would make, but since it's winter, all the snow is making it sort of a muffling sound, or a muffling effect, so it's rather soothing the sound of the creek. So I'm trying to make some new video on the creek in winter with my new camera, a beast of a camera, a Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. That's a mouthful. And it's a beast of a camera in several ways. It's heavy. That's what I'm trying to say. It's heavy. It's ridiculously heavy. So it's not very much for handheld work, but it does produce some amazing images, especially for the price point. So I hope you enjoy what I'm creating here today. If not, please leave a comment saying what you don't like and what you would want to see instead. Well, enjoy. Blackmagic Raw 6K. Oh well. So let's detach the camera, bring it on, so, and bring the tripod. Let's walk up. Whoa, it's a bit slippery there. Wouldn't want to break this camera. And here's me, and there's where I almost fell and wrecked the camera. That wouldn't be good. Now, this is I'm fat shaming my camera because this is a hefty boy. Really hefty boy. Yeah. But it does produce very, very nice pictures. And the screen is tiltable. One thing that I actually miss in this camera compared to the GH5 is the built-in leveler. I can't find that this one has a built-in leveler, which would be very nice if it had. Let's see, everything's fine. There is some special things to consider with this beast of a camera. So this rig is so heavy and this tripod is not that sturdy. So I want this framing, but if I sort of, okay, this is the framing I want, and I tighten the nut, then it droops. So I need to sort of, okay, I want that framing that's a bit higher up and then tighten, and then it will droop to the perfect position. Thanks a lot for watching. Please consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.